Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour à tous. Vous allez bien? Bonjour mademoiselle et bonjour monsieur. Aujourd'hui, nous avons les techniques. Aujourd'hui, je vous donne les techniques pour votre section A. Ouais, pour la section A, écriture. Parce que dans la section A, vous devez créer votre histoire. Vous devez créer votre imagination. Ouais, mais vous devez garder beaucoup de choses à votre esprit que vous ne devez pas dépasser votre limite de mots. C'est clair. Ouais. So today we are going to discuss section A, okay, and let's see how it works. But yes, make sure that you should not dépasser votre limite de mots. You should not cross. You should not go beyond with the limit of these words. C'est clair, right? So let's see how it works now in your section A. Like what type of you know the document you will get, right? So you'll get a document because in your section A, you will create what is to are. Listen to me very carefully. You will get you will be given one and two and three lines, right? On the basis of this, you have to create your history, maybe in the future, maybe in the past, right? Okay. So, like for example, your section A, it is you have to create the history. You have to create the story. Now, for example, we have a topic mariage or some, c'est clair, which is top wedding. Mariage or some, Arequipa. This is the name of the place, Peru. Le Huecon Daniel. The top wedding in Peru, Arequipa, the last Le Huecon Daniel, the last weekend. Why? No. Un couple Peruvian. The 20 Peruvian couple on Crimpe or Somme, the volcan de la Cordillera des Andes. It means 20 Peruvian couple climbed the top of the volcano in the mountain range. C'est clair? D'accord? Now, il désire se marier. They want you to get married à l'altitude record. They want to get the married in this high altitude. The blah 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 matter model answer mariage or sumen. So the top weddings. So there's some couple they want to have the marriage in the mountain top altitude. So this is your topic. Et vous devez créer votre histoire. Et évidemment, you will get one more line over here with this topic. One second. I think this is a repeat line. You'll get one more line with this topic. Le volcan. Le volcan misty. C'est clair. The misty volcano. Symbol touristic. This is a symbol touristic. Tourist. There are regions. This is a region of. This is the region of touristic basic. Symbol of touristic, right? Et ton fait considéré comme très romantique is indeed considered very romantic. So this region is to be considered as very romantic. Glad du fait de ses neiges due to its snow, its eternal snow, or somewhere at the top. C'est clair. So this is a topic like there are 20 couples, they want to have marriage, okay, mariage, okay, in a high altitude because this is a place which is very romantic place and they want to have a marriage in very big altitude. And now maintenant vous devez créer. You have to write vous devez décrire, vous devez créer votre histoire. Now, like how to make this, and you have to create two paragraphs, okay? And I will say because the young people they are very much agree, they are very much excited to have their marriage in this altitude because we have to create one story, right? Okay, like how it works I will explain to you, and please practice for this video, it will definitely help you out, right? So I'm saying over here Les jeunes mariés. Les jeunes mariés. It means the honeymooners, the young married people, right? The honeymooners. Sont redescendus. It means they came back down. Descendu we have is to descend. We have verb to get down. Descendu we have passé composé. So redescendu. So les jeunes mariés sont redescendus, heureux, happy, étant plaisantant, and honeymooners came back down with happy and joking, with happy and uh, pleasure, plaisantant, glad with their happiness. So I'm saying les jeunes mariés sont redescendus, heureux étant plaisant, plaisir, happiness, your joking, enjoy, divertissement, entertainment. C'est clair. Why? Then je voulais du blanc. He's saying I want it white. Because obviously every the more I'm using lamp parfait because my teammates, you try yourself to create the story in the past because you have to apply lamp parfait. See, whenever you sing, we used to get with this white because in the mountain range we have a snow is white. Neige is always white. So I'm just creating a story like I wanted white, I got white because ma femme qu'elle a porté le vêtement blanc, robe blanche. C'est clair. So I can say like this, je voulais du blanc, I wanted white. J'ai eu du blanc, j'ai eu, I got white. I have had white. Avec la neige, because I'm creating a story. Avec la neige, with the snow. La brume épaisse, very important. La brume épaisse. Épaisse, we have thickness basically. C'est clair? The thick mist. Et les robes blanches, you know the white dress, robe blanche. Tout était blanc. Everything was white. Because this is how you can create a story. Tout était blanc. Everything was white. S'exclame, s'exclame une jeune mariée. Exclaim a young bride, a young couple, a young married people. S'exclame une jeune mariée et moi and me. J'ai bien failli ne pas dire ouais. I almost did not say yes. This phrase, j'ai bien, répétez après moi. Very important phrase. J'ai bien failli ne pas dire ouais. Répétez après, mademoiselle et monsieur. This is a phrase which you have to follow because now, if I say, I almost did not say yes. Okay, say with the linguistic. J'ai bien failli ne pas dire ouais. J'ai bien failli. J'ai bien failli ne pas dire ouais. Répond la jeune mariée en riant. It means the newlywed replied with laughing. Rire, we have got. Riant. Claire. À cette altitude, je ne pouvais pas respirer. At this altitude, I could not breathe, maybe sometimes. It is just, I'm making a story. Like I want white, I want the dress will be white because évidemment, what's your robe? Your dress will be white. C'est clair. And neige était blanc, was white. Cependant, les experts avertissent. Avertir, we have verb to warn. However, the experts, because I have to create the conclusion also. The experts warn, avertise. Avertise, because we have a avertir. Avertir, we have verb to warn. But I'm saying cependant, however, les experts avertise, les experts avertise, they warn. Que même si, that even though le mystery est endormi, the mystery has been asleep depuis très longtemps, sleep for a long time, il est active, it is active, et peut se réveiller n'importe quand, and can wake up at any time. So this is, we are making that, warning. C'est clair. Now, this, you have to create your very 4, 5, 6 lines vous devez créer in two paragraph, and you have to come up with your imagination. C'est clair. Vous devez créer votre histoire, mais qu'il appartienne, qu'il lié à votre document. C'est clair. Now this is your section A. Writing task, watch this, it will definitely help you out.